Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I would like to present you this approved used Audi A3 Black Edition Sportback 35 TFSI. This particular example does feature the manual transmission, as well as being finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork to really give it that standout appearance. And it does also feature up to 12 months warranty, as well as 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now and looking at the key features, with this being a Black Edition model, this means the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition sport styling, such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side skirts. As well as this, you do get the black badging, as well as the rear privacy glass. Now moving on to the exterior key features, we really find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid matte grey diamond cut alloys are part of the Audi Sport range, and they do really complement that lovely black paint. To the side of the A3 now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as also hiding those valuable items. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Sportback, where we do find up to 380 litres of storage space. It's a large amount for a hatchback of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, where there is also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from these full Black Edition leather seats, which you have the S logo as well as the lovely white stitching. Above now there is also the virtual cockpit display, in which does feature the 2 digital rev counters. You can also access your satellite navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation and does allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both front occupants. Moving to the screen above once again now, we do find the rear camera, which is perfect for parking, especially in the tighter spaces. It does also have front and rear parking sensors. So this has been the vehicle presentation of this approved use Audi A3 Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, do contact our friendly sales team.